Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. We have a 2008 Ford Escape, and we are replacing air filters on today. We're going to be replacing the engine air filter and the cabin air filter, which is actually located over there. So let's start off with the engine air filter. And what you got to do is you have to loosen this neck up first. And then what you do is you pull up this little red piece, and then this will snap out. Make sure you don't lose that, and then just disconnect it from here, and just move that out. Gently move that out of the way, and then you can push forward on this air neck here. And then you unsnap these, and then you're kind of like sliding up to get this cover out, and then that is your old air filter, and you can tell that is pretty well worn. And we'll get our new engine air filter. And I'll put the links below for everything. And then you basically just kind of like push it into place. And then it has like these little track things that you kind of like slide down on the side. And you push that back into place. Make sure your clips are out of the way. And then there's two little slots that this actually goes into at the bottom. And you'll feel once it gets in there pretty good. There you go. So it's snapped into place. So we'll just put these clamps on. And you'll see the two little grooves and the force down at the bottom that slides into. And then you just connect this back up. Pop that in there. And then pull up that red clip. Push it down. And then that will lock it into place. And then you want to move the air tunnel back into place. And it'll slide right where it's supposed to go. And you tighten that up with your screwdriver. Okay. And inspect that for any cracks, because if you have a vacuum leak anywhere, sometimes it usually starts from here. Okay. Next, let's move on to the cabin air filter, which is actually located in this little compartment here. And you get a little Phillips, put your finger underneath, and that will pull up on that. And then you pop that out. Make sure you don't lose them. And then this little piece over here. Pop that one up. And then that just comes out like that. And then your cabin air filter is actually in this little compartment here. And you can tell that this probably has never been changed. I mean, that's pretty rough looking. And then this is the new cabin air filter. So make sure you have your orientation right. And look at the difference in that. It's absolutely crazy. So this will sit in here. And you kind of gently put it into place. There's really no clips or anything. It just kind of sits in there. But make sure you have it pushed back far enough so it has an opportunity to kind of like sit flat in there. And so that's how it sits. Okay. Then put this cover back on. And again, this one's been around a while, so it's not going to clip as nice as it should, but that'll be your cover piece. And then you put these little clips back in, and they always get out of place, so you got to kind of work them back into shape so they fit down that hole okay. All right, and then you got your two little screw pieces that go in. All right, and that's it. And that is your quick and easy cabin air filter change and your engine air filter change. Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.